guys, so today I will be showing you how I wash and prep my braiding hair before installation. First, I'm going to use my apple cider vinegar. This just starts the clarifying process. It's very important to clarify this braiding hair because it has so much wax and sometimes it can have bugs in it. You just never know what's in that hair. So go ahead and wash it. If there's any clumps, the vinegar clumps, that's usually at the bottom of the bottle. If it's in your water, just go ahead and remove it first. Or better yet, use a strainer while pouring in this vinegar. This is the hair I'll be using. I'll be using the Rastafari hair in blue and 1B. And this hair comes with rubber bands on it. Do not remove the rubber bands. This will make it so much easier to wash the hair and to keep it from tangling. Now I'm just going to submerge the braiding hair into the apple cider vinegar mixture and just press on it to make sure it is really soaking up into the braiding hair, and then I'll just leave that for about 30 minutes. After that, I come back and I just push on the braiding hair just to make sure the mixture did take and build up and all of that stuff is being removed. And this is what came out of the hair. This is why it is so important to wash your braiding hair, because this is what causes your face to itch and your scalp to itch. And yeah, it's nasty. It smells disgusting, so we want to remove all of that. After that, I carefully remove the braiding hair out of the water. I pull it up by the rubber band at the top, and then I just gently rinse the hair off. This whole process, I'm being very gentle with my hair because I don't want it to be all tangly and then I gotta comb it and all that stuff. No, so do things right the first time and the hair should be intact by the end of this process. This is how the water looks after clarifying the hair with the apple cider vinegar rinse. And I just go ahead and drain that water and wash the sink out so that I can fill it up with clean water and actually shampoo and condition the hair. I treat this hair as if it is my own because I want it to be clean and I want it to smell nice, especially when I'm laying against my husband and stuff like that. You don't want to be smelling like you have weave in your head. After that, I place the hair into the water and I just gently press on it so that the shampoo could get into the hair, so it could absorb into the hair. And I will just press on it and let it sit in the water. After that, again, I pull the hair up by the rubber band and I gently rinse off the hair. I squeeze out the shampoo and then I fold it up to move on to the next section. After that, I rinse out the hair just to make sure all of the shampoo is out, and then I drain out that previous water and fill it up so that I could add in my conditioner. I make sure that the hair sits for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and then I come back and I rinse the hair off. And then I drain that water and fill the sink up with new water just to rinse the hair out. This is now the rinsing process, and I do that process one more time to make sure all of the conditioner and shampoo is completely out the hair, and it looks like it is, so I'm able to move on. I drain the hair in the other side of the sink and then I move it to a towel. Now I'm going to use my replenishing cream. This will just bring moisture and softness back into the hair. I'm also going to use my heat protectant spray because I am going to blow dry this hair after letting it sit for a few hours just to make sure that it's completely dry. After adding the products to the hair, I just rub it in and I place the hair at the top of the towel and begin to roll it like a burrito. And I will continue this step until I have a fat burrito. After letting it sit for a few hours, then I will be able to blow dry the hair, and the hair will be nice and clean, smelling really good, and it will be ready for installation. If you guys would like to see how I prep my hair and how I style my hair with this braiding hair, go ahead and stay tuned. Subscribe if you want more videos like this, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.